Okay, now it's recording.
Oh, wow!
Is this a new one?
Wow!
14 megapixel pa.
Yung pakdikay. Oh, wow!
Patricia, uwi ako Pilipinas.
Kailan?
Again?
Wow!
Wow.
Sabi kayo ni Mama.
Oh, talaga?
Hindi, maganda.
Okay. Yeah.
Ano? Kayo?
Jamaris.
Masaya mo po. Ulit ka na naman.
Kasal kasi ni Alma.
Yung trabaho niya, diba?
Ayan, pangkikay mo.
See, that's where they're gonna get married in the Philippines.
Gusto niya kasi nagbubukas. Open mo daw daw eh. Wow, can I see it? Wow! Wow! Open this one. Open this one. Lemon. Pinakabukas eh. Open mo nga gusto.
Yan yung kay Cassie.
Ay, okay lang. Open. Open it. I love you. Open lang, please. Open. I love you, Open it. Sige, tingnan niyo. Open it. Yay! Yung auntie dahil nakaayos yung mga regalo namin. Binuksan niya ng sabi niya, happy birthday. Kasi pa di ba ang birthday niya, malapit lang din. Wow! Uy, gusto nila yan. Ikay pa pala. Talagang mga lipstick. Ika pag yung lipstick, sabi pa niya. Thank you po.
May makeup ka na. May makeup ka na.
Dito ay magtatrabaho na sa bago. Oops, there's one more daw doon. Wow!
Was it busy yesterday?
Oh.
Kasi by 3 or 4, they had to send a few of the friends to CCU.
Later,